Do you know you can easily turn a YouTube video into a blog post? Yes, I know you've been wondering how is this possible. Well, there's a free AI tool that can easily help you turn a YouTube video into a full blog post that is ready to be published on your website. What this AI necessarily does is that you take it to that particular video page, you on that video, and then you open up this AI software and to automatically turn that video into a blog post without you even playing the video. And that's what I'm going to share with you in this video. So hello guys, welcome to my channel, welcome to Press Tech. On this channel, I mainly focus on how you and I can make money through content creation, and I share every single tip possible to make sure that content creation becomes easy for even a newbie to start. So if you are into blogging, content creation, or any other means of making money on the internet and you need active information regarding that industry, then I advise you to subscribe to this YouTube channel where I share tips up to 2 to 3 videos every week on how you and I can make money from the internet. So if you find that helpful, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like this video, and tell Motifi down in the comment section. So now let's get straight into today's video as I share with you this free AI and how you can actually use it to turn a YouTube video into a high quality blog post. So with that already said, let's get straight into today's video. So hello guys, when it comes to turning a YouTube video into a blog post, there are simply a few steps that we have to take. The first thing is simply downloading a certain Chrome extension known as Harper AI. So this AI is a free AI tool that can actually help you create content, scan your content through to see the quality of your content, and there are a lot of beautiful features with this AI. So the first thing we simply need to do is simply downloading it onto our Chrome. So now let's just wait for the page to load up so we can actually download it. So once you come over here, you can see the name here, Harper AI, automation agent with Claude and GPT. So this system actually uses ChatGPT model. However, it's way more advanced than ChatGPT due to the other features embedded into it. So now after getting it like the next thing you need to do is simply hit on add to Chrome. Okay, you can see download error. This item is already installed. So I already have it in my browser. So I'll just go over to where my extensions are, go over to manage extensions. So I don't have it here, so let me re-download it again. Okay, so you can see it's downloading right now. So the first thing is simply we have to download this particular AI software, and I'm going to show you how you can set it up, plus how you can start using it to generate content. So you can see we just downloaded this software right now, and you can see it's taking us to the official homepage right now. So now after getting it like this AI is 100% free. Don't be worried about you making any payment or something. Once you set it up, the next thing to do is simply click on it, because you have to first of all give it access to ChatGPT. So call Harper any website at. Okay, so that's just their mini walkthrough. So let me just go back to the official homepage. You can see now, right? You can see that it has been fully activated. So here's the thing with this AI. The browser you actually install this AI, make sure you also have ChatGPT available on that browser. Like for example, come over here right now. You can see that I have ChatGPT already logged in here. The reason is that it uses ChatGPT model to actually help you out. This doesn't mean it's going to launch ChatGPT. No, it won't launch ChatGPT. But then it operates with the GPT model. You can see it here, GPT-3. So at times it requires you to actually set up your ChatGPT first so that you can connect to it automatically. And you can see it has both light mode and dark mode. So for me personally, I like using the dark mode most of the time. So I just switch over to dark mode right now. And the next thing is that this AI also goes beyond just helping with that. You can also change the language. So for example, if you are not from an English speaking country, you can simply change the language to any language of your choice as well. All you simply do is smash on the settings, then come over to AI response language and you change it to anything you want. Search prompt template. So you can come over here, simple send query as custom. So just leave this one as the default, and mass priority tag. So all of this here, you can simply leave them the way they are. Like just leave every other setting here, don't touch them. So now that you have the AI, the next thing to actually do before you start generating your content is simply going over to YouTube. So for that, let's just go over to YouTube right now. So let me just wait for it to load up. So after it comes up like this, let me just go over to history. Let me just pick one of my video, which is this video here. So this is my video on how to make money blogging as a small blogger, no ads. So this is a particular video I actually want to turn into content. So now the next thing I simply have to do from here is simply come in over here and hitting on the AI. So you can see this is the AI at the top here. The AI, you can find it at the this thing at the extension tab here, but if it's not there, all you simply have to do is click on the extensions logo here, and then you can come and enable it. You can see and simply enable it, and you can even see it at the side here. It's often floating around this edge over here. So now that I've shown you everywhere you can find the AI, let me just hit on it and then come over here. You see this side here where it has this slash and 3 dots. That's simply where you can actually bring out all of this AI. But in case you don't want to use it, you can simply use the forward slash on your keyboard as well. It will also bring it out. So now after this, here are all the tools. There are so many tools that are actually available with this AI. They have over 100 different tools for almost every single social media platform. For like almost anything you need to do as a content creator, they have a feature for it over here. Even as a cis copywriter, everything, fact checker, language wizard, and everything. And one thing I actually love about this AI is that its ability to understand almost every single language out there. So it doesn't matter the language you speak or understand, you can simply use it in this AI, as I already shown you, where you can actually change your language as well. So now that we are over here on YouTube, the next thing we simply need to do is simply hit on this particular part, which is repurpose content. You can see it here, repurpose YouTube video, convert YouTube video to text. So just hit on it. So now once you hit on it, you simply have to give it time, and you see passing video from the page. Long videos may take longer time. So the longer the video, the longer the time it will actually take to actually turn that video into a blog post. So now here is it. You can see what it simply do is that it takes all the information from the video. First thing, you can see key information from transcript, objective of video. The video focuses on ways to earn money through blogging or YouTube without relying on typical monetization method like ad network, affiliate program, or sponsored content. Exactly. And you can see that one is even stated in the title. That's to tell you that the AI is accurate. The emphasis is on strategies to generate income even with limited audience. Exactly. Because I use the tag here, small blogger. And then challenges with traditional monetization. It highlights the challenges of needing substantial traffic, hundreds of thousands of visitors to make significant. So you can see that the AI literally understands everything in the video, even without you playing the video. And trust me, every single thing that this AI has just gotten here is the most, it's 100% the most accurate data from this system itself. So there's nothing different from what they've written and what is in your video. What they necessarily do is that they pick the point from your video and try adding more value to it with the AI, and they're making it easier for anyone to understand. So now, after getting all of this information like this, the next thing you need to do is simply either copy this whole thing and then go and continue writing your blog post yourself, or you can use the second approach I normally use, which is turning this one into a blog post automatically. So how do you do that? All you simply have to do is simply hit on blog post, and then you have the option to choose, do you need a long blog post or a short one? So I'll go for long. So now this AI will automatically write a blog post for you using those informations. You see, you can see it's even giving you your personal experience, like exactly what I said in the video, personal experience making $500 blogging with a model. So you can see now that it's done with the whole article in just a short time like that. So now after it's done with this full blog post, here's my advice for you. Don't just copy this blog post and then go and publish on your website directly. The reason is that AIs, no matter how smart AIs are, they are still likely to make one or two mistakes. So to make sure that you are not publishing things filled with error out there, I always advise you to manually re-edit every single thing that the AI has generated. This is for your safety reasons. This one will help you get more clearer information about the article, help you resolve the problems that the AI might have caused within during generation. Because whilst they are creating this content, they might make mistakes because these are AIs, they lag. They are not 100% humanly focused. And then for your content to appear on search engine, they need to be a top notch. So for you to get this top notch sort of content, you have to first of all convert, go and edit the whole of these articles before publishing. So what you can simply do here is simply copy them like this. Let me just copy from down. So you can come over and then just hit on here. You can see copy to clipboard. Just hit on this part to copy it to clipboard, and now you have it on your clipboard. So you can go and paste it on anywhere at all you wish to paste it. So me, most of the time I prefer using Google Docs. So now let me just go over to Google Docs. So I'll just go over to Docs. I used a different spelling. Okay, Google Docs. So you see, all I simply do here is simply hit on add new, and then we just paste in the blog post over here. So you see, this one will help you simply turn those your videos that, so for example, if you are a YouTuber like me who also blogs, then this is a great way for you to actually create content faster, because all you simply have to do is turn that your already published video into a blog post within a short time. You see, now you have everything here. You can see unconventional ways to monetize your blog. So all you simply have to do is that, as I already said, try as much as possible to re-edit this one to get a maximum result, because you are not here to publish rubbish to Google. You need to publish content of high value to Google so that Google can also index them, because if you publish low valued content, Google is not going to index them. That's why you need to first of all go through all of these things to make sure that you have a clear and easy to understand article before you publish. So this is simply all about this video, turning your already existing videos into blog posts. And you can see that pages, 2 pages, and words is just 557 words. And trust me, these 557 words might not really be enough to actually expand on this topic. So what you simply have to do is that go through all of them. You created a video, or you watched a video that you actually downloaded. So all you can simply do is that sit back and then re-go through every single part, try adding more value to it, and then that will help you get more results from search engine ranking as well. So with that already said, hope you find this video helpful. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like this video, and tell me what you feel down in the comment section. So with that already said, have a nice day. Bye.